Welcome to the Forbes Markets Desk. I'm Steve Schaefer. Another big day of earnings Tuesday. Goldman Sachs kicked things off this morning. Earnings down from a year ago, down from the prior quarter, but they still beat expectations by a healthy margin. Goldman just being the latest financial we've seen after JP Morgan, Citigroup, Wells Fargo to do better than expected, even though it was a rough second quarter for the market. So certainly bodes well for the underlying fundamentals of the financial services industry, and we'll see if that continues when we see Bank of America report on Wednesday and Morgan Stanley on Thursday. Outside the financial sector, we got earnings this morning from Johnson & Johnson. The healthcare and consumer products giant narrowly beat expectations, but they did report a currency impact that actually hurt earnings and revenue quite a bit. It'll be interesting to see if Europe continues to sort of muddle through here, if they can get a continued headwind from the euro, or if it's something they can manage through. Another big industry heavyweight that reported today, Coca-Cola. The beverage maker reported strong growth, particularly in India and China, but also had a nice quarter in the U.S., so good sign there from another consumer products giant. As we look out later in the day, we have Yahoo reporting earnings, less than a day after they announced their latest new CEO, hiring Marissa Mayer from Google. We also had action on the Hill today with Bernanke testifying before the Senate Banking Committee. Chuck Schumer from New York had the line of the day when he said, "Get to work, Mr. Chairman." Schumer urging Bernanke to take further action to stimulate the economy, whether that's additional purchases of Treasury securities, mortgage-backed securities, but do something to help this economy get going after a very sluggish quarter. Bernanke, played coy, didn't promise anything, but certainly left the door open to further stimulus. The market not reacting like they expect much, but we'll see what happens the rest of the week. For the Forbes Markets Desk, I'm Steve Schaefer.